Welcome to Real Life English. Today's video is about taking a train. You will learn useful English for a real train station. Let's get started. Wow, this station is big. I've never been here before.
Me neither. It's much bigger than I expected.
Look at all these people. It feels really busy today.
I think it's because it's morning. A lot of people travel to work around this time.
That makes sense. So where do we go first?
Let's find the ticket counter first. We can't board the train without tickets.
Good idea. I see a sign over there. It says ticket counter, this way.
Perfect. Let's follow it. I don't want to get lost in such a big station.
There's also a big screen above us. I think that's the departure board.
You're right. A departure board shows the train times and the platform numbers for every train leaving today.
That's useful. I see a lot of cities listed there. Some trains say express and some say local.
An express train goes straight to its destination without many stops. A local train stops at more small stations along the way.
Ah, that explains why some trips take longer than others.
Exactly. We'll check the board again after we get our tickets, just to be sure we have the right platform.
Okay, that works. Let's go before the line at the counter gets longer.
Good thinking. Mornings are usually the busiest time here.
Hi, 2 tickets to Brookfield, please.
Sure. Would you like one way or round trip?
Round trip, please. We're coming back tomorrow evening.
No problem. A round trip ticket means you can use it for both the trip there and the trip back, so you don't need to buy another ticket later.
That's perfect. Thank you. How much is it?
That's $24 for both tickets. Would you like the morning train or the afternoon one?
The morning one, please. We'd like to arrive early so we have more time in Brookfield.
Good choice. The morning train is also a bit quieter than the afternoon one.
Is it an express train, or does it stop a lot?
It's an express. It only stops twice before Brookfield, so it's one of the faster options today.
That sounds perfect. Here you go. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Just tap your card here.
Done. Could I also get a window seat? My friend likes looking outside during the trip.
Sure thing. I'll put you both next to the window, side by side.
Thank you so much. Is there anything else we should know before boarding?
Just one thing. Your train leaves from platform 4 at 11:15, so please arrive at the platform a few minutes early.
Got it. We'll be there on time. One more question. Is there somewhere to store bigger luggage on the train?
Yes, every car has a luggage rack near the entrance, and there's also space above your seats for smaller bags.
Perfect. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
So, did you get window seats?
Yes, I did. The agent said our train leaves from platform 4 at 11:15, and it's an express, so it should be fast.
That's great news. Let's check the departure board to make sure, just like you said.
Good idea. There it is. Brookfield, platform 4, 11:15. Same as what she told us.
Perfect. Do you know which way platform 4 is?
I think we follow these signs. Platform 1 to 6 this way, platform 7 to 12 that way.
Got it. Let's walk down here then.
We have about 20 minutes before the train arrives. That's enough time to relax a little before we board.
Sounds good. I could use a short break after all that walking around the station.
Same here. Let's find somewhere to sit close to platform 4.
I see some benches just ahead, near a small shop. Let's go there.
Good spot. We'll still be able to see the departure board from here, in case the platform changes.
Does that happen often?
Not too often, but sometimes a platform changes at the last minute, so it's good to keep an eye on the screen.
Should we sit down for a few minutes? There are some benches near the platform.
Yes, let's do that. My feet are a little tired from walking.
Same here. This trip to Brookfield is going to be nice, though. I haven't seen the countryside in a long time.
Me neither. I heard the train ride takes about 2 hours.
That sounds relaxing. We can just sit back and watch the view go by.
What do you want to do once we get there?
I was thinking we could walk around the old town first, and maybe find a nice place for lunch.
That sounds great. I read that Brookfield has a famous market on weekends, too.
Really? We should check that out if we have time. What do they sell there?
Mostly local food and handmade things, from what I read. Fresh bread, cheese, that kind of thing.
Now I'm even more excited. Did you bring an umbrella just in case? I heard it might rain later.
I did, actually. It's small enough to fit in my bag.
Attention passengers, the 11:15 train to Brookfield will be delayed by 10 minutes. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Did you hear that? Our train is delayed.
Yes, just a short delay. A delay means the train will arrive later than planned. 10 minutes isn't too bad.
True. We can just wait a little longer then.
Actually, let's grab a coffee while we wait. There's a small coffee stand right behind us.
That's a great idea. A warm drink will be nice before the trip.
Let's go. We still have plenty of time before boarding starts.
After this, we should head back so we don't miss the announcement.
Don't worry, they always announce it a few times before boarding, and it shows on the screen too.
I think they just announced our train. Let's head to the platform.
Yes, I heard it too. Platform 4 now boarding.
There's our train. It's longer than I expected.
Let's check our ticket. It says Car 6, seats 12A and 12B.
A car is one of the train sections, right?
Exactly. Big trains are divided into several cars, so passengers need to find the right one before getting on.
I see small numbers on the doors as we walk. There's car 3, car 4.
We're getting close. Car 6 should be just a little further down the platform.
Got it. I see the number 6 right there on the door.
Perfect. Let's get on before more people arrive.
Here are our seats. I'll take the one by the window if that's okay.
Sure, go ahead. I don't mind the aisle seat. It's easier to get up if I need to stretch during the trip.
Thanks. Should we put our bags up there?
Yes, there's space above the seats for luggage. Let's put them up before the train starts moving.
Done. I think we're all set.
Me too. I'm actually excited for this trip.
Same here. It's nice to get out of the city for a day.
Do you think the train will be on time now after the delay?
I think so. The doors are already closing, so we should be leaving any minute.
Good morning. Tickets, please.
Here you go. 2 tickets to Brookfield.
Thank you. Everything looks good. You're in the right car.
Great. How many stops until Brookfield?
Just 2 more stops after this one. It should take about an hour and a half from here.
Perfect. Thank you for letting us know.
You're welcome. I'll make an announcement before we arrive, so don't worry about missing your stop.
That's really helpful. Is there anywhere we can get something to drink on the train?
Yes, there's a small cart that comes through the car later. You can also find snacks and drinks in car 4 if you don't want to wait.
Good to know. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your trip.
That was easy. I like that the conductor checks the tickets early, so we don't have to think about it later.
Same here. Now we can just relax and enjoy the ride.
Look outside. The countryside is so green here.
It really is. This is exactly the kind of view I wanted to see.
I could watch this for the whole 2 hours, honestly.
Same. It's nice to slow down for a bit.
Should we walk to car 4 later and get something to drink, like the conductor said?
Sure, maybe after the next stop. I'm not in a hurry.
Sounds good. By the way, do you remember if Brookfield Station is big like this one?
I read it's much smaller, just 1 platform. It should be easy to find our way out.
That's good to hear. This station was a little overwhelming at first.
Attention passengers. We will be arriving at Brookfield in 5 minutes. Please make sure you have all your belongings.
That's us. Let's get our bags ready.
Right. I'll grab them from up there.
Thanks. I can't believe the ride went by so fast.
Same here. It felt shorter than 2 hours.
The train is slowing down. I think we're almost at the station.
Yes, there's the sign. Welcome to Brookfield.
Let's double check we have everything before we get off.
Good idea. Phone, wallet, bags, umbrella. We're all set.
Great. So Old Town first, then the market?
Sounds like a perfect plan to me. After you.
This trip was a lot easier than I expected.
Agreed. Buying the tickets, finding the platform, even the small delay. None of it was stressful.
I think we'll remember today for a while. Let's go find the exit.
There's a sign right there. Exit and taxis. This way.
Perfect. Let's go start our day in Brookfield.
Great job. Today, you learned useful English for taking a train, from buying tickets to finding your platform and boarding safely. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.